Yeah, I am sharing my screen. Just a second. Is my screen is visible?
Yes.
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, as you know very well, all of you, I am discussing about the Azure Microsoft Azure Cloud. Okay. Why the first question in the PPT? You will see the first question. Why all companies are moving to cloud? Why all companies are moving to cloud? Previously, we have physical data centers. I think you guys are from computer background. New guys, already experienced person know what is server, what is physical data center and all. The physical data center is nothing but we will went to the market and we will buy one server like a laptop. Laptop is small thing, but server is a which huge core and CPU RAM. Means core is nothing but CPUs. Okay, processing units required more and RAM is required more and operating system also different. We have two types of operating system. One is user, one is client. Means server operating system is different and user operating system is different. What I am sharing my screen now, this is a normal user laptop. Okay, laptop operating system. This is very small and very less core is required, less RAM is required. It will work. But coming to servers, server one server it will run around 365 days and more. We don't want to restart the server. Okay, then it will work. It need to be heavy core and heavy RAM. Means huge architecture. Why companies are moving to the cloud? Why companies are moving to cloud is the maintenance of server in a physical office or on-premises office is huge. Means hectic task. ఒక సర్వర్ని మనం ఆఫీస్ లెవెల్లో మేనేజ్ చేయాలంటే చాలా కష్టం. దానికంటూ ఒక సపరేట్ రూమ్ ఉండాలి, ఏసీ సిస్టమ్ ఉండాలి, నెట్వర్క్ టీమ్ ఉండాలి, 24/7 నెట్వర్క్ టీమ్ అవైలబుల్లో ఉండాలి. దానికంటూ పవర్ సప్లై 2 types ఆఫ్ పవర్ సప్లై ఉండాలి. వన్ ఈజ్ సెకండరీ, వన్ ఈజ్ ప్రైమరీ. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ టైమ్ ప్రైమరీ డౌన్, సెకండరీ నీడ్ టు బి అప్. సర్వర్ ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో ఆఫ్ కాకూడదు. ఇలాంటివన్నీ ఉన్న సందర్భంలో ఒక సర్వర్ కాస్ట్ ఒక మినిమం చిన్న సర్వర్ కాస్ట్ అయినా మినిమం we want to spend 5 lakh rupees. The basic server what in company is using, it is 5 lakh rupees. Okay. In that situation, nowadays all Indian startup companies are very much famous Indian startup companies. If I have 20,000 rupees, 20 lakh rupees, if I will spend only one server 5 lakh rupees, the remaining 15 lakh rupees I want to spend for my employees, my office space and everything. At that time, some of the big companies come with, you don't spend any physical server, you don't want any team for maintenance. We have big setup. We will give you one big setup and we will give you one link and you use it. How much core required, how much CPU required, you will use it. They have the big data centers. Big data center means they have lot of core and a lot of CPU, lot of RAM and a lot of power supply, engineers, networking connection, everything they have. At the same time, on physical means on-prem data center, if one company given like festival offer, feel like that, fest offer means they think that get one buy one free, like Flipkart or Reliance Digital, like that. Okay, at that time what they thought, they expected that 10,000 users per server. Okay, but unexpectedly because of offer get one buy one, they got 1 lakh customers. What will happen to the server? The server capacity is 10,000 users only, but at a time how many members sitting? How many members sitting? 1 lakh. Okay, whenever users are more, whenever performance more, what is here it is showing CPU and RAM memory, right? When users are hitting more, your application will crash, your server will hang state, everything will go down. You are expected only 10. In physical data center, what we have to do, whenever you are giving any offer, you thought that you have two servers, that two servers are not compatible with our traffic, then what we have to do? We'll go to the market. First, we want to approve the budget, one more 5 lakhs for third server, and we want to go to the market, and we want to bring one new server. Even you bring the server, there is a 3 days about to give the offers. You bring the server with 5 lakhs, and you want to connect with the OS team to install the OS, network team to connect the network, and application need to be installed. This is very huge hectic task. Okay, you have good team and you have supporting team. You have installed this server also. You are installed this server also. But unfortunately, what happened? The offers are gone. The offers are completed. After 3 days, festival completed, offers are completed. Now tell me, our users are 10,000 only, not 1 lakh. Not 1 lakh. Now what we have to do with this server? हमने बाई किया ये तीसरा सर्वर, हम क्या करना है?
Money waste.
Money waste, time waste, application waste,
Waste of
everything.
waste of resources.
Waste of resources, right? But same thing catch by cloud. Cloud means big companies, they catch this point and they designed one thing. Are we have servers, we will give, we have resource, everything we will give. Same thing. If anything happen in cloud, you are expecting 10,000 users. Daily you are getting 10,000 users. You thought that I want to give some good offer. I want to increase the users. Flipkart is there. They want to increase their users. Then they will give offers, right? 26 offer, Diwali offer, Pongal offer. They will give like that. Same thing you guys are thought that I want to give. In cloud, how it will happen? In cloud, with one single command, there is VMSS concept is there. Virtual machine scale set. What is mean by virtual machine scale set? You will understand. This is a 2 hours concept. I will explain each and everything with the deep knowledge. I will explain. Don't worry about that one. Okay. VMSS concept is there. One single command. Whenever your CPU hit 80%, both the CPU average hit 80%, you will write the command that, "Arey bhai, I want third server." Okay, server aa gaya. What about the OS? What about the operating system? What about the application? What about the ports? Nothing. You don't worry about anything. As it is Xerox copy, it will come. That one server, two server, this three server also Xerox copy. And what about the traffic? They will divide the traffic with the 3 VM. Like a load balancer concept we have, traffic manager concepts we have, application gateway concepts we have. Okay, like that they will divide these 3. Okay, sir. Third VM is ready. After 3 days, my users are gone. Then what? This I want to pay more? No. Whenever your CPUs are hitting less than 80%, we will close this third server with one single command, without any data loss, without any impact on your application. Okay, with one single command. So then how much I want to pay for this? 5 lakhs? No. In 3 days, how many hours it will run? Hourly calculation. How many hours it will run? We have to pay. Per hour, take that $40. Per hour we are paying $40. Okay. If 3 days it will run, means all time won't hit, no? All time users are won't hit. They will use whenever they are free in home. They will hit mainly IRCTC. If you take example point of view, I'm telling you guys, because if I tell real time examples, you guys will grab. IRCTC, when it is very busy servers, when not entire day, right? It will busy only when booking are open 10, means Tatkal bookings open 10, right? For AC, and 11 is non-AC. If this time only there is very busy. After completion of seats, nothing is there. How many hours we will run this third server? That many hours only we will pay. Is this good for one startup company, or it is bad for one startup company? And you no need to you guys no need any what? Network team, power supply, generators. Okay. Why generators? You guys think, no? Secondary supply we want to give some generators only. Okay. In small companies, they won't give dual supply. One is from one zone, one is from one zone. In Bangalore city, one is from one zone, one is from one zone, means it is huge impact, and they won't give actually. We want to run one supply for DC from generator. I worked as a server engineer in Bangalore. I know what is this. If 2 days continuously raining is there, some trees are gone, your main power supply gone, then what you have to do? You have to run on the generator. You go to diesel, you want to go to the petrol pump and bring the diesel and we want to run. This is all once upon a time we will did this very long back, before 8 years like that. Now the cloud is overlapped everything. There is no any maintenance. Just go to the portal, whatever you want, you do. I hope you guys understand this concept. Because of small things, if you want to buy anything in cloud, it is within seconds you can buy. In cloud, within seconds you will close that offers also. Okay, like that we have very good comeback. And one more nowadays, why we want to learn cloud, one more advantage is that AI means artificial intelligence. Why it is coming here? If you run one artificial intelligent application, if you want to generate any tasks and all, it won't, the physical server won't affect. If you run that, no, it will open 2 minutes, 3 minutes. No one will open. It need to be in fraction of seconds. But the cloud servers are very fast because they will use NVIDIA. If you want to buy NVIDIA server, it will be cost around 20 to 30 lakhs. It won't affectable for one small company, one big company also. Why they will do this and all? Okay. Now to compact the cloud is very much important. Nowadays all are asking cloud. At job point of view, what and all you will get, compulsory they are asking any cloud. Not, I am not saying only Azure. The cloud is, whenever I am using cloud, there are different cloud providers are there. What are the different cloud providers? I am explaining. Okay, different cloud providers we have. That is main. The first is AWS, previously started. Okay, in the market now Azure is wrapped everything because of services. Azure have 250 services previously. Now they are day by day increasing. AI service also they are included. Uh, License, the main thing is Azure support and license are very good. If you want to go for open source, then you will go for AWS. And one more cloud is GCP. And one more cloud is IBM. Lot of clouds are there. Alibaba cloud is there, IBM is there, Oracle is there, SAP cloud is there. Lot of clouds are there. These three are currently ruling the market. Mainly these two. GCP now it is coming because of that Kubernetes. Okay, Kubernetes completely by this is provided by Google only. The Kubernetes is container management, means Docker pods are there. If you want to manage that n number of pods, you will go with the Kubernetes. Okay, I don't have that much knowledge on Kubernetes. One second, guys. Am I audible, right? Am I audible? Is there any issue with this?
Yes.
Everything is
Yes,
clear,
yes.
right?
But your voice is getting some noises. Meanwhile, right now
Okay.
clear.
Okay. Means someone saying there is no internet. That's why I'm asking. Uh, I think I'm clear up to now. You
Yes,
understood why companies are moving to the cloud and all. Day by day we will
I'm fine.
day by day we will get more and more clarity. And after this AWS, and what are the
Shiva bro,
services provided by? Yeah, tell me, Pawan.
ah, which service are covered in this course? Means which services?
Yes.
Tell me those things, then all will get a clear idea.
Yeah. What are the services? No, I will show you the. I have syllabus copy. I will show you. But what are the major services provided by cloud is IaaS, means infrastructure as a service. You will do everything, sir. I want only server. I will do everything. I have my operating system. I have my golden image. I have my application. I have everything. My network engineers are there. Subnet is there. I will create my subnet. I will do anything. I want only infrastructure from you. Then we call it as a infrastructure as a service. They will provide PaaS, platform as a service. Platform as a service. Platform as a service means they will give service. They will create and they will give. You want to implement on that application like function apps and all. They will give one application. You want to deploy your code and you want to run your application without any servers also we can do. That is called as a PaaS services. The infrastructure in PaaS services completely managed by whom? My cloud provider only. Okay,
Microsoft.
whoever the cloud provider, they will manage the cloud. Okay. Now One more is there, SaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. SaaS is software as a service. Okay, one second. I will expand this. Software as a service. Like, what is mean by software as a service? You don't
MS
want
Office,
anything.
Outlook.
You don't want anything. You don't want anything. You don't want patching. You don't want application. You don't want HTML code. You don't want CSS code. I don't want anything. I want one application to use. O365. They will give one O365 user login and password. You want to use that. Whatever the servers behind that O365 office, how many servers are running, what is the patch update, what is the security update, what is the application patch is going on or not, what is the vulnerability assessment, everything you don't want. Just you will log in and you will use. That is called as a SaaS, software as a service. Just you will use your credentials and login. One more example for this one is email, right? Email, you don't know anything. Just you will take username and password, you will log in, you will send to the mail, you will receive the mail. What is the functionality behind this? How many servers are running for email? You don't know. You are not interested to know about also. This is called as a SaaS, software as a service. PaaS is nothing but a platform as a service. Means there is a storage account. Storage account is there. Storage account they will create. You will put your like example like Google Photos. They will give Google Photos space. You will upload that. Whatever happening, patching happening, our servers are there. What is the server size is there? How much server size is there? Where they are storing? You are not responsible at all. Photos, Google Photos, okay. And infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means completely we have VM, VNet, subnet, everything we will work on this one. Okay. Mainly we are focusing this one because I am an infrastructure as an engineer. We will complete we will this also and little bit of this, not more than this. Okay. Just if anyone will ask interview question, what are the services provided by the companies in cloud? Otherwise, they will ask directly what is IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. You want to explain with examples. For IaaS means infrastructure as a service. You want to explain as a VM, virtual machine. In PaaS services, you will explain as a storage account. Storage account means already they developed some. We will utilize storage account on function apps. Web apps also we can use. Okay. I will explain this everything. VM, what is VM, what is storage account. You will get completely. And SaaS you will use as a Microsoft Azure administrator. You will tell the O365, Office 365, and email also one example is there. And we will see this in depth. Okay. This is the services provided by the cloud provider. If you take anything in this only, okay. If you take anything, any application, that will come under these three. Now I'll show you the syllabus, what we cover in this entire session. And one more thing, guys. As of you know very well, I am working in some company. I am working as a 24/7 engineer. I want 45 days time. The sessions will be, if I take 1.5 hour session, it will be 25 sessions only. If I will take 1.5 hour session. But unfortunately, what will happen? Sometimes I want to give some practice sessions for you, means practice time for you guys. Then what I will do? I will give some days, five days a week. 5 days a week we will tell. 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, you guys take some practice, good practice and all. If required, any day if I missed because of work and all, we will continue Saturday. Okay. On that day we will continue on Saturday, and completely I want 45 days. And one more thing, the class time is 7, not fixed. This is not fixed. 7 p.m. is not fixed. If I am in second shift, means in I am B shift, 1 to 10 I want to work. If I am in second shift, in the morning 10 a.m. is the class. If anyone have issues, I hope only working guys have some issues. Don't worry. I will explain you on office also, no problem, on face to face whenever I am available. Whenever you guys are available and I am available alone, I will explain you guys on the direct basis also, no problem. And if, because these 2 times are mandatory, because in night shift I can handle with this one. Whenever I am night shift now, I will start at home 9, right? 9 I will start. At 7 p.m. I will go. In second shift also I can do at 7 p.m. But in office I want to do. That is very high risky, and second shift is not easy because lot of employees what they will do before going home, they will send one mail and they will go, we want to work. Okay. And I saw that a lot of members are in freshers here. I don't think so there is a issue with the timetable and all. Okay. Previously, two batches are very good because of they have good enthusiasm and all. Bit of this IT stocks are decreasing day by day. That's why some calls are actually this time it need to be start. This is the best time to start calls. नौकरी से calls आना है ये time के अंदर नौकरी నుంచి calls రావాలి. Okay. Some guys are who have good experience more than 8 and less package like 10, 12, 11, they are getting calls. Not that all are not getting calls. Who have more package with less experience, they are facing some issue. But here what we will do, if you guys are learned once, now you will keep as a L1. L1 only. Don't go for L2, L3. If L2 you are promoting or you want to go L2 as a L2, then you want to work with the live servers. Means production servers on spot you want to server running में आपको काम करना पड़ता है. ठीक है. Don't take that much risk. Go with the L1. There they will learn you L1 and L2. If you are a good enthusiastic person and you have learned everything, you are known servers, you will handle very clearly, then they will promote you automatically as a L2. Then you will get good package also. Up to my class is L1. Don't think that I am working as L2, I know. But L2 task I want to explain you guys, no, that is not possible because I want to work with the live servers. I am not able to see here, but I will explain the task. Whenever if anyone will get L2, they have facing any issues, I am ready to help with you guys. Okay. And what are the benefits if you join here? Once you join here, you will get lifetime support. Means I am here. Once you guys are joined with me, I am here for lifetime. You will listen n number of times these classes, n number of batches. But don't think that I will listen next batch. You want to complete one batch at least. One batch at least properly. Okay. You want to study every day. Don't compromise in study hours. Minimum if 1 hour class.
Voice breaking.
Okay. Now, hello.
Voice breaking, voice breaking, voice breaking. Voice breaking, bro. Shiva bro, voice break అవుతుంది.
Okay, okay, okay. Hello. Hello.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు ఓకే చెప్పండి.
1 hour class. What I'm saying, 1 hour class you want to practice at least 2 hours. Okay. 1 hour class you want to practice at least 2 hours because you want to learn theory and you want to practice also. How to create VM families, what are the VM different families, what is general purpose VM, what is memory optimized VM, what is NVIDIA VMs. You want to learn. I will explain you like just how to create, how to manage, how to that. But in-depth theory, you guys need to be study. Okay, I'll explain you. If you have guys any doubt at any time in this group, WhatsApp group we have, right? In this group also you can ping. Otherwise you have my number. That number also you may ping. No problem. Okay. In that also you may ping. And what and all we will cover. I'll share you with the PPT. Okay. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing means using compute or storage or a software over internet instead of your own devices. Means what I said, mana వేవి ఉండవు. We will use from outside. Okay. Already they have bulk data centers. We will use through their website. Okay. That is called cloud computing. And what and all we will cloud computing basics. Okay. Identity access management. What is RBAC roles and Entra ID. Entra ID is nothing but Active Directory previously. Azure Active Directory. Azure Active Directory means without ID card we cannot enter into the office. Like that same too. Without Entra ID, without recognition of you are a proper guy, then you cannot enter into the cloud. How we will add users, how we will add groups, how we will provide access and all we will see here in the Entra ID. Okay. And coming to main topic, that is virtual machine and virtual networking and availability zone, availability set and networking part. Azure firewalls. Okay, Azure firewalls. Like firewall is nothing but to protect from threats, right? There are very good protection is there. If it is in cloud, we want to get some fear, right? Is my data is safe or not? That don't worry. The Microsoft Azure have very good. Okay, where it is going. Routing. It is a networking part. How to route traffic from where it is landing into the next hop. What is the next hop we want to? It is a VM, internet, or any website. We want to do with the routing part. Peering means whenever two networks are there, how to peer. NAT gateway, network address translation, how it will use to connect our on-prem data to our office by using NAT gateway. And manage disks also very important. Whenever you have SSD, HDD, that and all, what is the snapshot day-to-day activity, and this is the logs. These are called logs. How to lock your resource whenever someone is disturbing your infrastructure. How to, okay. And one second, where it is going, managing this and all. How to control cost means whenever you are Azure administrator, whatever things you are using in a cloud, it need to be, everything is costly. Everything is costly. You don't think that something is free. I will tell you what is free, what is cost. We have Azure calculator, and we will see how to save the. Whenever you save some money, na company will treat you as a some. He have some good knowledge on Azure. You some ratings also you will get. Okay, and backup. Without backup, we cannot do anything. And how to restore if anything happened to the production VM or UAT VM, dev VM, how to do. And what is Azure site recovery we can do. Okay, load balancer. In between, I said that load balancer, traffic manager, and DNS. How to create local DNS, global DNS, and all I will explain. And Azure virtual machine scale set means I already said if I want a third VM, how to write. In this one, we will automatic deploy using JSON template. JSON template is nothing but this is already predefined. Microsoft portal, we will get this JSON templates and all. Don't worry, you don't want any coding knowledge and all. Okay. Azure storage account, Azure CDN, and Azure file shares and all you will get. And what is VPNs? Different types of VPNs. Okay. How to connect Entra ID, on-prem Entra ID to our cloud. Already employees, 10 employees are joined in my company. I have added them in my on-prem account. I don't want to add in a cloud account. It want to be reflect automatically. Okay. I don't want to two logins. One user, one password. You want to log in at all sessions. Okay. Single sign-on. Okay. Like what is Azure Bastion? Azure Bastion is a secure connection between our VMs. Okay. And monitoring also very important. Azure policies and PowerShell. Some of the PowerShell I will explain you how to create VM, how to create storage accounts and all. If it is day-to-day activity, you will learn how to create one VM. No? You will easily get the multiple VMs creation also. And migration to Azure cloud. This is a very huge topic, and I will explain you theoretically. I don't have physical server to migrate. Okay, but I have worked on this also because some 700 servers we have migrated to cloud. Okay, okay. These are the topics. Modules are 14, but in depth it is everything is in depth. You want to be clear. Okay, each and every topic is an interview question. Each and every topic you have, if it is they are asking energy, and energy they will ask 10 questions if required. Okay, otherwise they will close in one. If they said energy, you want to explain everything. Okay, we won't give second chance to ask them different questions. Okay, this is our syllabus. I want to explain, and fee structures and all. If anyone have doubts, just directly message me on WhatsApp or call me. Okay. If support means how we will is guy is there. If anyone have doubt means once you get a job, you stop that anywhere. Just send me in WhatsApp, voice note or pic means photo where you stuck. I am always helping. Okay. If I am in sometime I will be in meetings. Then only delay will be there, not more. Okay. If I don't know any topic, I will tell you, or by I also don't know. Please go through it internet or not. Okay. Nowadays everything is clear because of these AI tools. Whatever the error you are getting, just copy paste into the chat GPT. It will give clearly step by step how to resolve it. Sometimes we will stuck, but simple thing also it will give sometimes complicate. Don't worry. I have good experience to solve this Azure topics and all. Okay. If you have anyone have doubts, please let me know. I'm one more time. I'm clearly saying this is L1 level only. Means up to 4 years of experience you can manage with this. Don't go for L2. I am not suitable for L2 because of L2 need live troubleshooting knowledge as per mine. Okay. You will get AZ 104 means Azure 104 certification like Azure administration. Okay. After this course, you guys will write exam anytime. Anyone have doubts? Karthik, Yashwant, Pawan bro, Chetan bhai, so he will ask anything.
No.
Okay, now, all right. Uh,
Clear, bro. Almost clear.
okay,
No issue.
okay, bro. We will connect on Monday, bro. Okay. Some of the guys they want
From
to
Monday
add
onwards, regular class, right?
a regular
Mm-hmm.
Monday from Monday onwards. It is a regular class. This is a demo class.
Done.
I want to start today. From Monday onwards, 100%. It is a regular classes. 5 days weekly. Okay. If any doubt, anytime,
Okay.
just message me. I'll explain you.
Okay, bro. Done.
Okay. Okay, bro.
శివప్రో ఇప్పుడు పోర్టల్లో కనెక్ట్ అవుతారు కదా, portal.azure.com కనెక్ట్ అయ్యే షో చేసుకుంటే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు కదా స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్.
మొత్తం పోర్టల్లోనే ఉంటుంది బ్రో. మన ప్రాక్టికల్ మొత్తం పోర్టల్లోనే ఉంటుంది. portal.azure.com లోనే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. వితౌట్ పోర్టల్ మనం ఏం చేయలేం బ్రో.
ఓకే.
విఎం క్రియేట్ చేయడం మొత్తం AWS లాగే అది దాంట్లో ఎలా పోర్టల్ ఉంటుందో దీంట్లో కూడా portal.azure.com లోకి వెళ్ళి మొత్తం చేస్తాం. ఓకే
బ్రో.
రైట్.
ఓకే డా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I'm closing this session. Okay. Anyone have doubt, directly call me.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.